This is a short video giving you an overview of what you will find under the job search process tab on the left. That involves the concept of your resume, which you will be sending to the Career Services Center for review. The important thing to take away is your resume gets your foot in the door. Your interview gets you the job. Here is a PDF of the job search workbook provided by the university, a job search guide. It's important that you sign up for Handshake. I have here examples of behavioral event interview questions, BEI questions, based on the theory that your past behaviors predict your future behaviors. And there's a ton of examples here divided into different categories. Here is the Career Services assessment rubric that they use. Here's where you will submit your resume. I have an example of Excellence in LinkedIn, which is simply a standard tool now that every business will go to looking for you and what you've uploaded there. So it's very important you have your up-to-date resume that you have submitted to that business and a professional photograph on your site. I prepared a number of documents on how to create and manage your LinkedIn. I have a video. Here's where you will submit the link to your LinkedIn profile. So all of this is found under the job search process tab.